watchOS 5 is bringing a ton of new features, but kept hidden until the last minute are 4 brand new watch faces coming to everything that runs watchOS 5. In this video, we're going to take a look. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here for Apple Insider, and I've got my iPhone 10 running iOS 12. We're going to go ahead and launch the Watch app. We're going to take a look at the phone first, and then we'll take a look at them on the actual watch. To find the new faces, we're going to go over to the second tab, which is the Face Gallery. Here you can see all the different faces available, but highlighted on top are the new faces available in watchOS. Here you can see we have Breathe, Fire and Water, Liquid Metal, and Vapor. Apple gave a quick highlight of these faces when they announced the new Apple Watch Series 4. If we dig into any of these faces, you can see they're all a little bit similar. Breathe has 3 different animation styles. There are 3 complications available, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. And that holds true for pretty much all these faces. 2 small ones on the top and a larger one there on the bottom. Fire and Water, you have a few options between going with fire, going with water, or alternating between the two. We have similar options with Liquid Metal and Vapor, but it's probably best to actually show these off on the watch itself so you can see how gorgeous the new animations are. So here we have my Apple Watch Series 3 with watchOS 5 installed. Just to hold it a little bit easier, we're going to go ahead and take it off really quick, and then we're going to check out these new faces. To access the watch faces, we can swipe left or right from the home screen here. Or to actually get in, add new ones, we can press harder or force press on the actual screen, and then tap on the new watch face, hit customize, or add a new one altogether. Here you can see we have Vapor, and every time I tap it, or every time the watch wakes up, a different animation plays. In this case, we have it alternating between all the different colors, so it changes kind of each time. If you'd prefer just sticking with one of the colors, you can alternate that. Instead of all, you can scroll up and go to that pink and orange hue, the black and white hue, or the blue and green hue. As usual, swiping to the right brings you the complications, a large one there on the bottom, and the 2 small ones along the top. Tapping on new, we can go to the next new watch face that we have, which is up a little bit, and it is called Liquid Metal. And it is exactly what it sounds like. Instead of maybe a vapor, it's literally liquid, metallic looking metal kind of going across your watch face. Just like Vapor had 3 options, there are 3 options here as well. Right now we're just on silver, but there are options for gold, for black, or alternating between all 3. If you're sensing a common theme between these new watch faces, there is. They're all seeming to be elemental between the Vapor ones, the liquid ones, and the last one, which is actually Fire and Water, which is probably my favorite of all the new watch faces. And it's got some of the coolest animations yet. So we're going to go ahead and check that one out by going up just a little bit. You can see you have 2 options here between going all fire or all water, and just kind of spreads from the middle of the screen out. Same thing happens when you have the water option. Tap it again, try to get the water to come up there. It kind of has that vortex of spinning as it expands out through the screen. These look really, really nice, and that OLED display definitely fills these out. Let's get in a little bit closer. You can see how nice these animations are. They look really, really cool. Fire is probably my favorite, but the water one looks really great too. The last new watch face to take a look at is Breathe. Again, there are 3 options for Breathe that we looked at a little bit inside of the Apple Watch app over on my iPhone, and it kind of just animates out from the center. Unlike the others, there's actually a function tied to that animation. Tapping it will launch the Breathe app and get you right in there to some meditation or deep breathing. Once more, the 3 options are Classic that we just saw, Calm, which kind of has a bunch of bokehs going around, and then Focus. If we just choose any of these, they'll be set, and then every time you lift it up, it'll animate that screen. They look really nice, and if you use the Breathe app quite a bit, this is a great way to kind of have a new watch face that kind of mimics that and can take you to the app really quick without wasting a complication on it. Of course, the new Apple Watch Series 4 will also have some new watch faces not available on any of these older models, but we'll have to wait to check those out until the new Apple Watch launches. So which of these new watch faces is your favorite? Let us know down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.